Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix low FPS lagging when you're playing Modern Warfare 2. This is a very powerful tutorial because I'm gonna show you step by step what you have to do. Now I can't guarantee you this will give you huge this will fix or this will give you a lot of FPS but I'll try my best, guys. From my own experience, I'll try to share with you what I've learned, and I'll share with you guys. So let's jump right into the video and let me show you the first method I used to fix, which is this is the simplest and the most obvious, but it's very overlooked by a lot of people. Don't consider or just forget, or they don't think it's very important, but it is, which is this method is to simply close all the apps that's running in the background when you want to play Modern Warfare. Make sure you close all the apps in the background. This is method number 2. That's method number 1. Method number 2 is to go in here, write graphics settings, and right here click on it, the first option, and then here if you can't find Modern Warfare, make sure you click on browse and you select Modern Warfare from here, and then once you locate it and once you add it in this list, you added Modern Warfare, what you have to do is to click on the game and select options, and then here make sure you select your GPU. Even though I have a very decent and it's not a powerful GPU, sometimes it lags. I fix this problem by just selecting high performance. And also method number 3 is to fix the problem by just going to performance, and this helped me to gain more FPS. And here click on select only these two, click on apply and OK. Also make sure you close all the apps, as I said, in the background. And method number 3 is very important, is to go power options and edit power options. Click on it, and here in power options you should be able to select here performance mode. That's what I have on my main computer, my PC. This is the laptop where I do my tutorials. And click on change settings, change power options, and here in processor power management, maximum processor state, make sure it's set to 100%. Click on OK, and that's pretty much it. And you can also go to temporary files and delete temporary files. This is gonna give you some less space on your storage on your system, so you can run the game faster. Recently I cleaned around 9 gigabytes, so this is very good to clean your storage, so you have more space and therefore have less lag and less problems with the game. So make sure you click now remove files and select continue. Okay, that's very powerful. You can also press Windows logo plus R, and here you can write temp and percentage at the end and the beginning. Okay, and here make sure here you can and here make sure you click on your keyboard, Control and A, select everything, click delete on your keyboard, click continue, and click do this for all and skip. Okay, now that's about it, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you. Please let me know in the comment section if this video helped you. I'd like to read your feedback. And make sure you like this video, if not for me, for this little man here doing the work. Thank you for watching and take care.